In the previous section, you learned how to use nsolve to solve equations. Now, that's all good, but it only gives one answer. If you have a quadratic with x squared or a cubic or any other polynomial, you need something that'll give you multiple answers. So here we use polyroots. So we go Menu, Algebra, Polynomial Tools. You want to find roots of a polynomial. That's the same as, say, solving a polynomial equal to 0. Let's say we have a quadratic and I want the real roots. That'll be useful for SL and studies. Now for HL you may want complex, so you can just use complex. Okay, and now here we put in what our quadratic is. So let's say it's 2x squared minus 5x plus 1. Okay? And so they've done it all for us. They've got polyroots. There's my quadratic, and there's my variable x. Now you might notice it's not the whole equation. It's not equals 0. That's okay. It understands well that it's a polynomial. It equals 0, and I'm going to find the roots. Enter. And there's my two solutions. So my two roots for that polynomial or quadratic is x equals 0.219 and x equals 2.28. If you want, you can do the same with a cubic. Degree 3, real. Okay, so let's say it's 1x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4 plus, let's say it's 0. Press enter, and now we get 3 solutions. So for this cubic, the roots are x equals negative 3.236, x equals 0, and x equals 1.236. Now what about complex roots? So let's go Menu, Algebra, Polynomial Tools. Let's do complex roots of a polynomial. Okay, so let's make something up. X, we can actually type it in this way, x to the 4 plus 1, comma, and x is my variable, enter. Okay, so here's my complex roots. So the first one is negative 0.7 minus 0.7i. And the next one is negative 0.7 plus 0.7i. And then the others are 0.7 minus 0.7i and 0.7 plus 0.7i. So you get all your complex roots there. And that's really just for HL students.